Hey travelers! Welcome back to Catching Caerus, your go-to channel for all things travel. Today I'm sharing my top luggage packing tips to help you maximize space, stay organized, and make your next trip a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or packing for your first big adventure, these tips will ensure you're ready to hit the road without any stress. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space in your suitcase, but it also helps reduce wrinkles. This method works wonders for t-shirts, jeans, and casual wear. Just roll them up tightly and pack them in your suitcase. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit. Next, let's discuss packing cubes. These little organizers are a game changer. Packing cubes help you compartmentalize your suitcase, making it easier to find exactly what you need without tearing through all your clothes. They also compress your clothing, so you can fit even more into your luggage. Trust me, once you start using packing cubes, you'll never go back. Now, when it comes to packing, placement matters. Always place your heavier items like shoes or toiletry bags at the bottom of your suitcase near the wheels. This helps keep your suitcase balanced and prevents it from tipping over when you're wheeling it around the airport. My next tip is a clever way to save space. Wear your bulkiest items during your travel. Things like boots, jackets, or heavy sweaters can take up a lot of space in your suitcase. By wearing them instead, you'll free up valuable room in your luggage. Turn your next vacation packing routine into a game and waste no space using the Tetris Method. Use every inch of space. Those empty spaces in your shoes? Perfect for socks, underwear, or small souvenirs. The corners of your suitcase? Ideal for awkwardly shaped items. Take a break from packing. And if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more travel tips and guides, make sure you subscribe to Catching Caerus. We've got new content coming your way every week. Plus, you will be entered into our monthly giveaways of Catching Caerus merch, gift cards, or even honoring our subscribers by making a donation in your name to a travel-related organization such as Tourism Cares, the most recent organization we made a donation to. Now let's get into taming the toiletry monster. Streamline those toiletries and ditch the full-size bottles and opt for travel-sized versions or refillable containers. Invest in a good quality, waterproof toiletry bag, which will save you from the nightmare of shampoo explosions. Not sure what to wear when packing last minute? Make it easier on yourself and plan your outfits in advance. Before you start packing, plan out your outfits for each day of your trip. Stick to a color scheme so you can mix and match your pieces and create multiple outfits with fewer items. Here's a tip that often gets overlooked. Pack a reusable bag. It's perfect for dirty laundry, shopping, or even as an extra carry-on for the trip back. These bags take up almost no space and can be incredibly handy. Next up, for your delicate items, roll them in tissue paper or place them in a mesh laundry bag to keep them protected. This helps prevent snags and keeps them looking fresh when you unpack. Finally, my last tip is to always keep your essentials in your carry-on bag. This includes a change of clothes, essential toiletries, important documents, and any valuables. That way, if your checked luggage is delayed or lost, you'll still have what you need to get by. And there you have it, my top luggage packing tips to help you travel smarter. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is all in the preparation. Don't forget to subscribe to Catching Caerus for more travel tips, guides, and even monthly giveaways. You could win some awesome Catching Caerus merch, or we'll make a donation in your name to a travel-related organization. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.